Alright, so we are currently in Olympia, Washington, the capital. And we are right outside the Planet Fitness because Michaela and I just got done with a good chore day. Did laundry, groceries, we ate lunch, and then we came to Planet Fitness for a shower. And now we are heading to Olympic National Park. I believe our campsite's about an hour and 5 minutes or so away. Seatbelt. So we left Mount Rainier this morning, had a great time there, and time to head to Olympic. Michaela, are you excited for Olympic National Park?
I'm excited. This was like the first time we got an actual shower since Idaho.
Yeah, it's been about like 11 days since we had a real shower. Other than that, we've been doing river showers, which work, but this was a real good shower, and where we've been recently, it's out in the middle of nowhere. So we passed through a city, and now it's time to get the heck out of here, because I hate being in cities, and head to the forest. We finally arrived at our campsite. We ended up driving about an hour further than we thought because the first campsite, what was wrong with the first campsite? Oh, it was just, there wasn't very many, it was like really tiny pull-offs off of like a main national forest road, like with a 30-mile-an-hour speed limit. I just didn't want to be too close. So we found another spot, drove to it. I think it's by Mount Walker in Washington State, over here in the Olympic National Park, and we got to the site and there was 2 people in it, so we were gonna look for more, but I was like, no, I'll just keep driving down. Michaela said it was a dead-end road, and we found this little spot. So definitely nice to be here. Super, it's not big, you know, we're only doing one night here. We'll find somewhere else tomorrow. This park's huge, so, and we are like in the rainforest. It's really starting to see some. Don't be an asshole and leave wrappers everywhere, because now we're gonna have to take those with us. And your glasses, whoever left your glasses here, if you're the same person that left these, you're an idiot. If not, sucks you don't have them. But there is a creek down there, and you can see all these moss covered trees. It is absolutely beautiful here. And pretty much we're coming pretty close to hitting the coast of the west, and we started in the east, so it's really cool to be this close, and I cannot wait. We're gonna make a cool video for that like checkpoint or whatever you want to call that. So right now we're just gonna kind of set up a little bit, eat, and probably go to bed and wake up tomorrow early and go see what this place has to offer. Good morning from our campsite here. I keep wanting to say Oregon. I feel like we're in Oregon. It's just so rainforesty here, and every time I see pictures of Oregon, it looks kind of like this with these trees. I mean, we are in Olympic National Park, so it does make sense. We just got the hitch on, and this thing is a huge pain in the butt. Makes Michaela very angry putting it on and off.
I hate it.
She hates it, which is okay. I mean, I don't love it, but
It's heavy, it's cumbersome. You gotta line it up perfectly. We even etched like a line in it to know where.
yeah, it's been a pain.
It's just heavy and annoying.
But we are... Do you know which entrance we're heading into? We have no idea what entrance we're going into.
There's like 8 or 9.
There's a bunch. This park's huge. If you drive like around it, I think it takes 8 hours or something, or through the whole thing. So we're not gonna be doing that, but we're probably gonna be staying around here again tonight and possibly seeing it again tomorrow. And then we're gonna be heading to, I think, Oregon. So yeah, let's go check out Olympic. All right, greetings from the Olympic National Forest, rainforest, I guess. This is where we camped last night. Right now we have the generator running. It's like 11 o'clock, so Michaela and I are getting a late start yet again. Not that it needs to be an early start, because we really have no plan for today. I think we're just gonna head down the coast. Right now my face is like half shaven because I went to shave, it died. That's why the generator's running, so I can charge that up. But basically, we've been in Olympic for like 2 days now, pretty much, right?
Yep.
And I haven't recorded much. I just shot some photos. Michaela and I just really, it was a lot of driving yesterday. A lot of driving. Like, what time did we leave?
They say if you drive around the whole peninsula, it takes 8 hours.
Yeah.
So we drove like 3 hours of the first part 2 days ago, and then yesterday we drove the whole way around it.
Yeah, so we drove a lot yesterday, and we found this spot kind of later in the day, in the evening. After looking at several other spots, we landed here, and it's been awesome. So today, I think we're just gonna chill, go down the coast, and probably check out some beaches, and fly the drone, and just kind of have a chill day. And then we have a really cool video coming out next. The video after this will be basically about us reaching the West Coast. So I'm excited to show you guys that. Greetings from the Oregon coast. I don't know what town we're in, but we are on our way to a place called Newport, Oregon. We've just been slowly making our way down the coast. The past few days, honestly, I haven't recorded a whole lot. I think this is where I'm going to start off. And I will insert some photos and footage of the things that we did as I tell you about them. But we just basically came from Olympic National Park within the last couple of days. And now we are making our way down the Oregon coast. We've been stopping along at different beaches along the way, and we're basically heading to another one right now. We just came from a place, oh, my glasses. We just came from a place called, what was that? Lincoln City. Lincoln City. So now I'm in the passenger seat for once, and Michaela's driving us to the next beach. So right now, that's where we are heading. The water in the ocean up here is pretty cold. It's been like moderate, it's like 70 degrees, a high of like 70 degrees today. So it's been super chill, just sitting out on the beach and watching the waves and checking out the cool landscapes. Some of the beaches are super flat and smooth, and then some are just like cliffside and stuff. And I think that's what Newport's like, so I'm definitely excited for that. So yeah, we kind of took, not a break from making videos, but definitely slowed down in the last couple of days. But we're back. So, Michaela, how does it feel to drive?
It's fun. I'm on Highway 1, driving down the coast. And Big Bertha just got a bath today, so she's
finally rinsed this thing down. Yeah. Boom. Oop. What's up? So, we are currently at our campsite. I don't know where we are. Somewhere on a national forest road outside of Florence, Oregon. We were driving for a while trying to find a campsite, and we checked a couple campgrounds, the national forest campgrounds, and they're all first come, first served, and they were all full. Checked a national forest road that was really weird. There was like a Chevy S10 that looked like it rolled over 15 times. That was like what we first saw, and that should have been the first indicator to turn around. The first national forest road that I've ever been on that was paved. So I was kind of like, oh, let's just go up it anyway. And it looked very long. And then not far after that was a RV on the side of the road that somebody was living out of with junk everywhere. So we went past that, and I was like, all right, I'll just keep going way past that. Get up past that even more, and there's an old like 80s RV that looked like it tried to get pulled out of a spot that it was abandoned in, and it was just blocking the road. So we turned around, we drove around some more. There was an epic sunset. I didn't really feel like getting it out.
Too.
Yeah, where was that?
By the wire.
Oh yeah, we did find another spot, but it seemed like it's a utility road for some electrical workers up there by the cell phone tower. So that led us like, it was, yeah, we haven't even eaten. It's about 9 p.m. So I think I'm gonna,
3-hour adventure.
about a 3-hour adventure. Tomorrow should be smoother sailing because we'll be camping with friends. So whatever, you know, happens is on them. It's on you, Dylan. So no, I'm kidding. It should be a little bit more easier going. So we haven't eaten. I'm about to put the camera down, take the back rack off, and start making some grub. All right, good morning from the campsite on the side of the road. In the is it like the Suislaw National Forest, something like that? I don't know, it's on the screen. I don't know how to pronounce it exactly, but it's pretty cool back here. Super nice, very dense forests. Some ass clown dumped a bunch of shingles down the side of this mountain off the, Michaela's brushing her teeth, off the National Forest Road. Don't be like that. But today, I think we're just gonna go kind of head actually back to the section we I kind of missed. There's some really good viewpoints, and I just wanted to find a campsite, so they were gonna check that out. My friend Dylan and Katie are actually down in Golden Beach, which is pretty close to California, so Michaela and I don't want to go down there just to head back up to Bend because we're gonna be going down to California anyway. So I don't know what we're gonna get into as far as like today and the next day goes and where we're gonna be camping, but I'll definitely keep you guys along. We'll bring you with today. and try to fly the drone a little bit. So let's get into it. This is what I love about van life. Like right now, Michaela and I are just pulled over on the side of the 101. There's really not much traffic going on, and we're about to make some breakfast and hang out. Had to take the generator out because the rear is so heavy with it in there to take out, but check out this view. I'm on my wide angle right now, but there's a lighthouse like right there. I'm about to switch to my 135. We've been watching some sea lions, I guess, or seals.
Seals. I'm sure it's seals because there's a seal thing.
Yeah, it's probably they're seals, but we've been watching them kind of pop up. There's one right like there. It's hard to see on this lens. And then we just watched some old like biplane just fly by the lighthouse. It was really, really cool. So we're gonna, like these cliffs, it's just, it literally doesn't feel real. It literally doesn't feel real. So we're gonna make some breakfast, eat, switch to the lens, and shoot some photos. Can't wait. Well, Michaela and I just pulled up to this little hiking trail outside of Cape Perpetua, I believe, Oregon. So I believe it's a total of 2.7 miles out and back with about 800 feet of elevation gain, and it looks like it offers some really, really cool views. So I think that's what we're gonna do, and then we're probably gonna go drive along the coast again, find a nice little pull-off, open the back doors, and maybe take a nap. Just relax. What do you think about that, Michaela?
I'm ready for the nap.
Michaela doesn't really want to hike, she wants to nap, but you know, she forced me to get up early today. For what reason, I don't know, because now she's tired. Funny how it works, right? I'm good to go. All right, so we are somewhere on our hike right now. I'd imagine we're pretty close to the top. It was around 1,000 feet of elevation gain, and just judging by the trail, I think we're pretty close to the top. And we just saw this cool little critter right here. Try to get a zoom in for you guys. I'm not sure what kind of owl.
Maybe he's sleeping.
But he's just chilling. He was looking around. And it just feels so surreal seeing like an owl in the like rainforest. We're right along the coast. We're supposed to be able to get an awesome lookout of the ocean. So I will update you guys when we get there. Well, it appears we are pretty much at the top. I believe right up there is technically the top, but I think we're good with right here.
Yeah, I'm good.
Michaela's a little beat up. It's pretty muggy out.
Yeah.
It's muggy. I don't know, we probably did like a mile and a quarter up, and it's absolutely beautiful. We were just down there earlier, so seeing it from up here is super cool. Now we're gonna hike back down, get in the van, park somewhere along the coast, and just look at the water and probably fall asleep. And hopefully I'll probably edit some photos actually. I'll probably be a little productive and then pass out. So down we go.